Why do we call it Mueller-Hinton Agar? It is because at 1941, in the Harvard University, John Howard Mueller, a microbiologist, and Jane Hinton, a veterinary scientist, co-developed this agar as a culture for both gonococcus and meningococcus. Mueller-Hinton agar is commonly used for antibiotic susceptibility testing, specifically the diffusion test. Why? We will explain it later on. It typically contains 2.0 gram beef extract, 17.5 gram casein hydrolysate, 1.5 gram starch, and 17.0 gram of agar. Principle: so we have beef extract and casein hydrolysate provide nitrogen, vitamins, carbon, amino acids, and sulfur. Para saan yung mga to? Para sa nutrients na kailangan ng bacteria. So beef extract and casein hydrolysate provide nutrients, while starch is added to absorb any toxic metabolites produced. So yung toxic metabolites na pwedeng maka-apekto later on sa antibiotics na ilalagay natin, na-absorb ng starch. Starch hydrolysis yields dextrose, which serves as a source of energy. Then agar serves as the solidifying reagent. Step 1 is to disinfect the area. Take note that alcohol is not a disinfectant. It is an example of an antiseptics. So what is the difference between disinfectants and antiseptics? Disinfectants are those that we use for non-living things such as our countertops, while antiseptics are those that we use for the living things such as our human body. Here I have a liquid disinfectant and then a disinfectant wipes. So I decided to use the disinfectant wipes. And also I have here an alcohol, but I will not use it because I know that alcohol are for living things and the countertop is not a living thing. So just clean the countertop. Step 2 is the preparation of all the materials needed. So here are the materials listed. We have here the graduated cylinder, the Erlenmeyer's flask, the Mueller-Hinton agar, which will expire on 2023, the weighing scale, and a clean coupon bond. Now let's proceed to step 3. Suspend 38 grams of the medium in 1 liter of distilled water. Step 4 is heat with frequent agitation for 1 minute to completely dissolve the medium. First thing to do is to put the clean coupon band in the weighing scale and set the weighing scale into 0 gram. Pour the agar little by little until you reach your desired amount, which is 38. So for me, this is the hardest part of doing the agar because it's so hard to make it exactly 38 grams. Next is to pour 1 liter of distilled water into the Erlenmeyer flask and pour the agar. Then swirl it until such time that all of the powder is dissolved. Next is to heat the solution with frequent agitation to completely dissolve the medium. For me, I use a stirring hot plate. Step 5 is to autoclave the medium at 121 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes. Make sure to cover the mouth of the flask to prevent evaporation of the medium, and then put it inside the autoclave. Then we will start the process of autoclaving now. For us, we use Panasonic portable autoclave which will have the alarm after the process is done. Step 6 is to pour cold Mueller Hinton agar into a sterile petri dish. Last step is allow to cool then cover, then store the plates at 2 to 8 degrees Celsius.